Hello and welcome back to Everything Home Repair, and today this video is going to be about sprinkler troubleshooting. So come on over to the timer tab. If you turn on one of our sprinkler zones, zone 2, and you put some time on it, nothing is coming on. So, now back to the time. Well, first you're going to want to open up the panel of the control and clear the station on. You can see right over here it says zone 2 is the black wire right here. And common right here. So we're going to test to see if this is working. So you push up. Sorry, that was so one. I push up and you just get a little wire out. And now you put it to 10 volts DC. Put your meter. Then you want to put some time back on the station. Okay. Now we want to test from here to common, and we can see that we are getting some voltage. So the timer's good. So that means that there's a problem elsewhere in the system. Now to the valve box. So here's the valve box for this system, and here's the valve right here. So we do have some grease caps on this particular valve, and there are a few critters in there. Just make sure there's no snakes or anything. So it's this orbit valve right here. So thank you for watching part 1, and I'll see you back. Please like and subscribe.